This is the elevator at the Medical Center of Sarasota on Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. Oh, did you see that? It said elevator communication failure. Wonder what that's about. Anyway, we're gonna give it a ride. Let's go up to 2. It used to be a general. It was modded sometime in the past year. The indicator changes pretty much immediately, which leads me to say this is a Schindler or a Kone mod, but I don't know. Here's your inspection certificate. It's out of date, expiration of August 2024. Filming this in April 2025. You know what, let's go for one more ride. Here's another look at the cap and the ceiling. 2,500 pound capacity. Innovation bruiser fixtures. You can see a little bit up the shaft, and you have a GAL interlock right there. But look at this again. Gonna do it. Now I don't hear anything, but maybe it's only when the doors are open. Anyway, that'll be it.